OpenCV for Beginners is the first course you need to enter the fascinating world of computer vision and artificial intelligence. In 2019, we launched the most successful Kickstarter campaign for any technical course. We raised nearly $500,000 with the help of more than 1,300 backers. With this Kickstarter campaign, our goal is to make computer vision and AI education truly affordable. OpenCV for Beginners is less expensive than an iPhone case. The course is created by a team of experts, including Dr. Gary Bradsky and myself. In this course, you will learn about various topics of practical importance and build real-world applications without drowning in mathematical details. OpenCV is the most comprehensive computer vision library in the world, with algorithms for image processing, augmented reality, machine learning, and deep learning inference. Let's hear what Dr. Andrew Ng, a world-renowned expert in AI, had to say about the OpenCV library.
I think OpenCV has been one very important building block built by giants that I think all of us should feel privileged to be able to stand on their shoulders.
OpenCV for Beginners is a course for everyone, unique compared to other courses because it requires no background beyond a little functional knowledge of Python. We even have some resources to help you quickly get started with the scripting language. It's also great if you're seeking to round out any existing computer vision knowledge. The course is structured into several modules centered around real-world applications. In each module, we will introduce various topic areas through an intuitive learning model with an emphasis on practical examples and explanations based on intuition rather than the detailed mathematics covered in our advanced courses. After mastering each topic, we show you how to build the module's real-life application using those concepts, such as using face detection and image filtering lessons to build a privacy face blurring application where you can also use your own images and video. You will receive Jupyter notebooks as well as Python scripts for all course content. You can use and even combine these materials to build your own unique applications. And if you get stuck, you will always have access to the discussion forum where the staff is there to help you throughout the course. Yes, that even includes software installation to make sure you get up and running in no time. The modules in this course cover a wide swath of computer vision topics, such as reading, displaying, and writing images and video, color channels and color spaces, image thresholding, masking and bitwise operation, image blending, image filtering using convolution, artistic rendering, computational photography including image restoration, Aruco markers in augmented reality, edge detection, Huff transforms and contour detection, image hashing, working with different types of image data such as satellite imagery, geometric transformations including homography, object tracking and optical flow in videos, deep learning applications from face detection to human pose estimation, including text spotting and character recognition, and even the creation of a web-based application that will allow you to share and showcase your computer vision applications in social media. Finally, you will be getting a certificate of completion from us when you have finished the course. You can take this 4-week course at your own pace, giving room for curiosity and experimentation. The best part? You get unlimited lifetime access. OpenCV for Beginners is the lowest priced, most affordable course we have ever offered for someone wanting to explore the world of computer vision. And if you wish to pursue more advanced studies, we are also bundling this beginner's course with our existing course offerings at huge discounts. Check out the pricing and bundling options in the rewards section below. And with that, let's get a word from the founder of OpenCV, Dr. Gary Bradsky, about the origins of open computer vision.
We started OpenCV 20 years back with a mission to make computer vision accessible to people who are not experts in the field. The library is also used in Stanley, the car that won the 2005 DARPA Grant Challenge for autonomous driving. Today, it is the largest computer vision library in the world with a collection of over 2,500 algorithms, and it is downloaded over 1 million times a week. With OpenCV for Beginners, we are bringing affordable computer vision and AI education to millions of people around the world. I wish you all the best in taking your first steps in the field.
We truly believe these courses will give you an edge in your AI journey and boost your career growth. In addition, your contribution will help us maintain the free open source library that we all love. Thank you, and see you in the course.